Political temperatures there soaring in the city of Hyderabad. It's day 2 of the high-profile BJP campaigning in the city of Nawabs. After BJP President JP Nadda, UP Chief Minister will now hit the campaign trail for the December 1st GHMC polls in Hyderabad. Yogi is arriving in Hyderabad shortly. He will hold a roadshow from South India Mall to Alwyn Colony. Will also address the public in the evening. Tomorrow, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah will hit the poll campaign. He will visit Bhagya Lakshmi Temple adjacent to the Charminar and will address the press conference. On Friday, BJP President JP Nadda held a roadshow in Hyderabad. He said that KCR will lose in this election. He also slammed those calling this election a gully election. Nadda also thanked the people of Hyderabad for supporting Modi's development.
इतनी बड़ी संख्या में आप सब आए हैं, ये अपने आप में केसीआर को संदेश दे रहा है कि तुम्हारे जाने की बारी आ गई है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के आने की बारी आ गई है। मित्रों, इस बारिश में भी आप सब लोग ग्रेटर हैदराबाद के विकास के लिए म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन में कमल खिलाने के लिए आतुर हैं। आप सिरे से भ्रष्टाचार को नकार रहे हैं और आप मोदी जी के नेतृत्व वाले विकासवाद को बढ़ाने का काम हैदराबाद में कर रहे हैं। आपको कोटि कोटि नमस्कार, आपको कोटि कोटि धन्यवाद।
Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Modi says vocal for local. So I've been asking people as to who the local party here is, and it is us, the Telangana Rashtra Samiti, which is most certainly the local party. And so I've been appealing to the people that the gully party, the local party here, should be chosen over the Delhi party, which is, of course, the BJP and the Congress, of course.
हैदराबाद आकर हैदराबाद के पुराने शहर को कहती हैं कि यहाँ पर पाकिस्तानी है, रोहिंग्या है, अफगानी है और हम सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक करेंगे। अगर बीजेपी पुराने शहर में सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक करेगी तो 1 तारीख के दिन पूरा हैदराबाद इंशाअल्लाह ताला मिलकर बीजेपी के ऊपर एक डेमोक्रेटिक स्ट्राइक करेगा और डेमोक्रेसी को बचाएगा।
Cutting across to Ashutosh Mishra reporting live from Hyderabad. Ashutosh, all poll action campaigning there heats up in Hyderabad ahead of the municipal polls on the 1st of December. We're looking at Yogi Adityanath arriving anytime soon. This is a massive all-out star campaign that the BJP has launched for a mere municipal polls. And that's what it seems like the KCR government really mocking the BJP for. Take us through the politics there.
So that's going to be a clash of titan today. The Chief Minister KCR will be addressing a rally, and the BJP's firebrand leader Yogi Adityanath, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, will also be campaigning for first a road show, then a public meeting, and that too in the old city, the heart of Hyderabad, the city of Charminar. And you already heard, be the bitter war of words. Where the BJP state president saying there will be a surgical strike. Then the BJP, the Sambit Patra attacking that do you need visa to enter in the old city? Then TRS said let's vote for the vocal. It's a fight of gully boy versus Delhi boy. So all in the heating campaign, the kind of war of words that we are hearing, even the locals that have been speaking throughout for this municipal election, after all, it's just a municipal election. And so far, we have only seen such big narratives only be the Delhi's municipal election or the Mumbai's election. First time, the Hyderabad's local city election, a municipal poll making so much headlines, that will be the narrative. The first, where the BJP is trying to taste water in the southern country except Karnataka. They need a base, and that could be one of the, 5 parliamentary constituency, more than 25 assembly constituency through Hyderabad. So that will be a tasting of water. And that perhaps the reason why there is a projection of stalwart leaders putting up here in this campaigning. And remember, even this is the kind of campaigning that BJP is doing for this local poll. This is unprecedented for this city. And that's why many believe that this could also dent TRS and that could give a nightmare to the TRS. As far as TRS is concerned, they have indeed offered in manifesto a lot of freebies for the public and ruling dispensation that the government in the state, the municipal body, there will be a sink in development work. but the challenge they are receiving from the BJP, and particularly in the war of words between the OSC,
Right.
between the BJP and the TRS, that is making this fight very interesting for all sections of the society here in the city of Charminar.
Absolutely. Ashutosh, thank you very much for bringing us a sense of what's happening on ground there. In just a little while, Yogi Adityanath there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.